This is the mouse. Let me pick it. Okay, this is it. Beautiful. This is a port for, I guess it's for charging. I remember previously people used to use batteries, AA batteries in it, and that's all chargeable. And that's great. That glossy kind of look and lightweight. See how slim it is, how thin it is. It's like a chocolate bar. It's lightweight. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, there you can see the part again. I think there's for charging. And this is the button, I guess, for turning it on and off. Beautiful. Apple logo on the back. I think so. It's too glossy to show you. Okay, no, that's better. Let's see what's further inside. This is it. Oh, good. This is the cable I was looking for. That's great. I don't remember what exactly we call it, but it's the typical Apple cable. I think inside this. Oh, I think so. Manual. And that's great. Apple manual. Yes, telling about the ports and other things in Arabic. Manual in English. Okay, I'll read it later on. This blah, and what is this? No idea exactly. Thin film or something. Okay, that's it. Now the sign is there. I think it's asking me to connect my the keyboard and the mouse. Let me do it. What it is saying to turn it on. Done. Oh yes. And now the keyboard, I have to switch it on.